Hey everyone! Welcome back to TechieTuro. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install XAMPP on Windows. XAMPP is a useful tool for web development because it gives us a local environment where we can run PHP, MySQL, and other web applications directly on our computer. By the end of this video, we'll have XAMPP installed, start Apache and MySQL, and test if everything is working. Let's start by downloading XAMPP. Open your browser and search for Apache Friends XAMPP, or go to the official XAMPP website. On the website, click Download and choose the version for Windows. Once you click the Download button, the installer should start downloading. After the download finishes, open the XAMPP installer. If Windows shows a security warning, confirm that you want to run the installer. You may also see a warning about antivirus software. We can simply continue with the installation. Next, we'll choose which components to install. You'll see several options such as Apache, MySQL, PHP, PHP and others. For a basic PHP and database development setup, we can leave the default components selected. Then click Next. Now we need to choose where XAMPP will be installed. The default installation folder is C:\XAMPP, which means the XAMPP folder is located directly inside the C drive. I recommend keeping the default location because it makes it easier to find and manage your XAMPP files later. Click Next. Choose your preferred language if you're asked, then Continue. Now XAMPP is ready to install. Click Next and wait while the installation files are copied to your computer. This may take a few minutes, so just wait until the process is complete. Once the installation is finished, make sure the option to open the XAMPP Control Panel is selected, then click Finish. This is the XAMPP Control Panel. This is where we can start and stop the different services that XAMPP provides. Let's test our installation. First, find Apache and click the Start button. If Apache starts successfully, you'll see it highlighted in the control panel. Apache is the web server that allows us to run websites and PHP applications on our computer. Next, let's start MySQL. Click the Start button beside MySQL. MySQL is the database server we'll use when our PHP applications need to store and retrieve data. So now we have two important services running, Apache for our web server and MySQL for our database. If you want Apache and MySQL to start automatically, close XAMPP and open it again as administrator. If Apache and MySQL are currently running, stop both services first. Then, you can install Apache and MySQL as Windows services. This allows them to start automatically when Windows starts, so you don't have to manually click the Start buttons every time. Now let's make sure Apache is working. Open your browser and type localhost in the address bar. Press Enter. If everything is working correctly, you should see the XAMPP dashboard. That means our local web server is working. Now let's see where we put our PHP projects. Go to your local disk. Open the XAMPP folder. And then open the htdocs folder. The htdocs folder is the main folder where we place websites that we want Apache to serve. For example, let's create a folder called My Website. Inside that folder, you can create a text document and edit it using Notepad. Open the file and enter this simple PHP code. After entering the code, save the file with a .php extension. For example, index.php. Make sure it's saved as a PHP file and not as a .txt file. In your browser, go to localhost, then /mywebsite. If you see Hello World, congratulations! Your PHP environment is working. And that's it! In this video, we downloaded and installed XAMPP, started Apache and MySQL, tested localhost, and created our first PHP page. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe to TechieTuro for more beginner-friendly coding and web development tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.